In the last video, I talked about how I integrated lock picks into my Victorinox. In this video, I will show how I use the integrated picks to open some locks. The first lock is a cabinet lock. The keys to this lock could no longer be found. Checking it's locked. I am using a snake rake to try and open this lock. The lock has opened and we can see the locking bar rotating as I turn the tension wrench. Let's try to open it again. Note the two-layer knife fits nicely in my hand. Once again, the locking bar has rotated. Just for fun, we will try a second cabinet since it is sitting next to the first. These types of cabinets generally have low security locks. Let's try to open it again. The lock has opened. We will now try the snake rake on a dehumidifier cabinet, which is mostly used to keep camera gear. The lock opens. One more try. This time it's much quicker. Now we move to a wardrobe drawer. This lock brand is by Haffel. Checking the drawer is locked. Again, using the snake rake. We got the lock opened. Our last demo is to try and pick open my bicycle lock. This is what got me started on integrating the lock picks into my Victorinox, as I have this phobia over losing my keys. With the lock picks integrated into my Victorinox, I no longer have to worry about losing my keys. This time, we are going to use the short hook to pick the lock. The lock opens. One last try. Before I end this video, there is something I have to show you just in case you did not see this before. Have fun. Cheers.